Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Rivian R1S Adventure. This car has 260 miles of range, and this has 800 horsepower. The quad motor. And so here's your screen right here. You can control all your AC settings over here. I'm not sure how I feel about that because I don't like when you have to adjust AC on the screen. It's kind of dumb. I'd rather just have vents because it makes it overcomplicated. You have a heated steering wheel, ventilated seats, and heated seats as well. You can unlock and lock the vehicle from over there. Use your maps. It's pretty good. We're going to drive in sport mode. The brake reach-end is actually pretty aggressive in the high mode, so I'm just going to put it in standard. Rivian logo over there. I really like these seats, just high quality throughout this interior. And you also have a portable speaker down there, which is really cool. You can take it out when you're like tailgating and stuff. Backup camera right there. I've never really driven the R1S very extensively before, so I'm excited for this. I'm also going to get a video on an R1T pretty soon as well. I've always liked Rivians, because they're adventurous, boxy SUVs. They look aggressive, which I really like, and then you can use them for everything. I would definitely I'd rather take an R1T because I think the pickup truck thing is cool, right? So I personally have a G80 M3 with a 6-speed, right? And then in a couple of years, I plan to get like a secondary car with that. I want an SUV or truck, and it would be a good complement to have an EV with the manual M3, right? So I'd probably get a Rivian R1T because, I could use it I could go off-roading with it. I could use it for all purposes. And it's a good all-rounded car. Like, it's such a cool concept. A pickup truck with a ton of power, efficient. Looks really cool. I can do all kinds of, I could go on all-terrain with it. What more do you want? This thing is really, really fast. The seats are real comfortable. I love the quality on the steering wheel. It's real nice. And the maps are cool too because it's like a satellite view, Google Maps basically. That is really, really fast. People like to talk a lot of crap about electric cars and things like that. Me personally, I wouldn't say I don't like all electric cars, right? The only electric cars I like, they're very few. Like, I like Rivians. I really like the Porsche Taycan. My family's got a Porsche Taycan 4 Cross Turismo. That thing's awesome, right? But I'd say some EVs, I don't like a lot of EVs, but things like this are awesome. You got to get with the times at some point. And even on the standard regen braking, it's pretty, aggressive. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with this thing. I like it a lot. I'm not too as I was saying, I'm not really too familiar with Rivians. As I was saying, this is like one of the, I've driven the R1T a couple times, but this is our first time really driving the R1S. And yeah, I'm really liking it. So fast. And it looks like the Rivian also has like these key cards which you can use like Teslas do. Kind of cool. Keep it in your wallet. You don't have to carry the key fob around. I think the key fob's cool too. It's like shaped like a lock. It's got like a little carabiner on the side. It's a unique truck. I need to go off-roading in one of these. I really want to try that out, because if I get a Rivian R1T, as I'm saying, I'll definitely go off-roading. I wouldn't just let it go to waste. I mean, if I was going to get an electric truck, obviously I'd choose an R1T over an F-150 Lightning or whatever, or a, God forbid, a Cybertruck. I hate the Cybertruck. It's horrible. It looks like crap. Now let's go for a quick walk around on this R1S. Here's your key. I just love the details in here. It's awesome. Also, one thing, I can't figure out how to move the mirrors up and down, because it's not on the door. And I clicked the mirror button, but it wasn't like a setting to move that around. Three rows, that's awesome. And look at the detail on the third row. They even have their own sunroof. That is amazing. Yellow calipers, looks pretty good. Very distinctive front end design on this vehicle. Rear seats are comfortable. Awesome. I guess you can hang stuff there. You have your USB-C or, yeah, USB-C ports over there. You even have a rear display. Let's see if I can, all right, let's got that open. You can tailgate back here. It's comfortable. You can sit on this, you know, have a few drinks. Have that portable speaker out here, listen to music. Pretty cool. And here's your cargo cover. But yeah, awesome SUV right here. I love this thing. But that's about it. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching Drew Drives, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.